recording the most common regret of the dying. There were 5, pero share ko lang sa inyo for ngayon is yung 2. The number 1 is not having the courage to live a life true to yourself. You're always living a life what is expected of you. That's the number 1. Number 2 is not letting myself happier. Ano ibig sabihin? In business, if you want to start your business, if that is what is really in your heart, then go by all means start your business. Hindi, huwag kang magpapaharang sa ibang tao. Kung yun yung talagang, that will bring you life. Di ba? Start a business. Then number 2, if you think that will make you happier at this moment in time, stop overthinking. At this moment, kung yung ba talaga ang nasa heart mo, then why not start it? Let yourself be happier. Start a business, then you will see how it can go. The point is to start.